Hi everyone, today discussing DNA sequencing by Maxim Gilbert sequencing. DNA sequencing, the process of determining the order of bases adenine A, thymine T, cytosine C and guanine Z along a DNA strand in the basis of DNA sequencing. All the information required for the growth and development of organism is encoded in DNA of its genome. So, DNA sequencing is fundamental to genome analysis and understanding the biological process in general. Types: the two type of DNA sequencing method. First, Maxim Gilbert sequencing method and Sanger sequencing method. Previous video discussing Sanger sequencing method and today's discussing Maxim Gilbert sequencing method. Maxim Gilbert sequencing is a method of DNA sequencing developed by Alan Maxim and Walter Gilbert in 1976 to 1977. This method is based on nucleobases specific partial chemical modification of DNA and subsequent cleavage of the DNA backbone at site adjacent to the modified nucleotide. The procedure: the double stranded DNA fragment is the separated in single strand by the applying in high temperature. The 5' end of the DNA fragment the sequence by in kinase reaction using a gamma. The cleaved DNA strand at the specific position using in the chemical reaction. Now in the 4 reaction tube have a several different size DNA strand. Next, electrophoresis method. What is electrophoresis? The electrophoresis used in separate in DNA, RNA or protein molecule in based on the size and electrical charge. In this method used in the research laboratory for the separate molecule according to the size and electrical charge, cathode and anode, cathode in negative charge and anode in the positive charge. In the electrical current is passed through the medium and is different rate depending on the electrical charge and the molecular size, and small molecule goes in the faster and the separation of molecule in occurs based on the differences. The fragments are migrate in acrylamide gel for the size in the separation. In this gel are placed under the X-ray film, then yield in dark series of bands. In the show in location radio label in the DNA molecule. The fragment by the size and deduce the sequence of the DNA molecule. Advantages: no premature termination due to DNA sequencing, so no problem with polymerase II synthesis DNA. Stage of DNA can be sequenced which cannot be done with enzymatic method. The purified DNA can be read indirectly. Homopolymeric DNA runs are sequenced as efficiently as heterogeneous DNA sequence. Can be used analyze DNA protein interaction. Can be used to analyze nucleic acid structure and epigenetic modification to DNA. Thank you.